You may tell people that, you're working with tenths of thousands. They don't understand how tight a tenth of a thousandth is, which basically if you can take a piece of hair and divide it 30 times, that's how tight the tolerances are. You start out and you think, oh wow, that's a really tight tolerance. After a while of doing it, you know how to approach it. And if you get the right approach on it, it's second nature, I guess, at that point. We mainly do research and development, hands-on, working with engineers, trying different things out, different steels and stuff like that. To me, it's just more interesting. I like to be able to help with the designs, and I think it's just born. And my grandfather was a tool and die maker, my dad's a tool and die maker. I'm a machinist. I don't consider myself a tool and die maker, but I'll say I'm a good machinist. You have to have very good equipment. We have CNC lathes, CNC mills. I think we turn up to 30 inches in diameter on the CNC lathes. Surface grinding, we have 12 by 24 manual lathes. Your Bridgeport mills. The horizontal saw that we have actually was a prototype. So it's not your standard off-the-shelf saw. We've been purchasing our saw blades from Sawblade.com for years now. The saw blades themselves are top-notch. The service is incredible. They'll custom cut it to any length you want. You just let them know, and you just let them know what kind of materials that you're cutting, and they recommend different saw blades. We look for the General Mill type of saw blade, and it's worked very good for us. We try to run it more like a family atmosphere here. That all my employees have been here well over 15 years, closer to 20 years. And you work with them just as not an employee, but as a friend, where everybody gets along very well, and we want to, get along with our customers very well and work hand in hand with them, because we want to make sure the end product is what the customer's looking for. That's the challenge, and that's what we enjoy doing. And actually, we're learning the whole time, and that's what's nice. There's always new products coming out, as far as steels, heat treating, all kinds of different things. If you think you know it all, you shouldn't be in this business.